Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy here, Glowstick, back with another video, and today we're gonna be going over the meme command in discord.js. So now in front of me here is our purge command / clear command that we did in yesterday's video, or not yesterday, but the day before yesterday. And if you haven't checked that out, be sure to check it out. Yeah, it was actually pretty nice. It lets you mass clear messages, but with that aside, let's get started with our meme command. So what we're gonna need is just we can make a new one and call it meme, and we can also pass the meme through there. And by the way, if you see me like moving everything around or like my mouse just going everywhere, it's because I have video notes open also, so like it tells me like what to do and when and stuff like that. Kind of it's just like a helper in a way. But anyways, our meme is gonna be in an embed, so it's gonna be like, so we want to also pass in Discord through it, and just passing in through like that. And that's basically all we have to do for that part, and we can create meme.js. Now these are all like just sample stuff that we already know how to do, and so yeah, I'm not going over that in too much depth. I just copy and paste this and remove this, because this is not going to be like limited to a role. If you want to make it limited to a role, you can. I'm just not gonna, because like I think that everyone should have their memes, and let's just say gives you a meme, something simple there, and pass in the Discord value like so. Discord. There we go. Now we pass in our values, but we have to get a module. We're gonna have to use a module, so it's gonna be const fetch equals require node dash fetch. So node dash fetch, and we wanna just do npm I node dash fetch and install our actual module. So let this, okay, so it did it fairly quickly. Just wait if yours takes a bit more time, but yeah, and we can actually get started. Now what we want to do is we want to use fetch, and I have actually a JSON file that all of our code will be coming from, or like all of our stats will be coming from. If we open up our Discord or something, yeah, sorry, wait, I got a little notification there, but if we go to this, right, this is the actual website. It tells you it's a JSON file, so I guess, yeah, it's formed in a JSON file, and then it tells you like post links, stuff like that. And this is gonna be like, these are like a bunch of subreddits, stuff like that, and this is what we're going to be using. So none of these are going to be NSFW, which is a good thing. If you want it to be NSFW, oh no, you can go to a different tutorial, but I don't cover that in this one. It's going to say our author and stuff. It's going to give us a post link in like this fashion. It's going to tell us our subreddit, and then it'll give us a preview. So that's going to be our format, and this is I just found this online. It was off GitHub, and yeah, so I'll keep this link down below in the description. You just want to copy it, and we're gonna actually, if we go back to our Visual Studio Code, and we just want to paste it in, right? So okay, so it automatically gave me those. Let's take that out, and boom, make sure you add quotations on the outside. I forgot on the outside. No, not like that. No, not like that. Yeah, we got there eventually. But now that we do that, we actually fetched it. Then we can add a .then command. .then, which is gonna have res and then arrow function res.json. So res arrow function res.json, and that's a function which it's like calling, I guess. And then another .then. Now, since we're opening up another function, right, and you want to pass in async to it, async right here, And this is just so we don't get another error, because we're going to be using await, and that's why. So this is already a function, but then inside of that function we have another function, so we have to pass it in. And then async JSON, and then error function. And now we want to open up that arrow function, open up some brackets, and this is where, nope, I'm just going to end this off right here so we don't have to do it later on in the future. And this is where we're going to make our embed. So we can do let, and you can call this whatever you want. Actually, no, this is going to be in message. Sorry, oh wait, and then go say message.channel.send, and it's gonna send whatever you want. So before it gets your meme, it's just gonna like give you like a little message that you know it's actually working. So you can say getting memes, something like that. That should do. You can have it say, what do you call it, fetching your meme, whatever you want. That's completely customizable. But now here's our embed. So now we can do const meme embed. This is just your name of the embed. You can change this to like, I don't know, embed meme or something, but I kept it as that. And then we just want to make a new Discord embed. So message embed. Oh nope, I spelled that wrong again, embed. Now sorry for my background noise if you hear it, but now we can do dot setting, title, and title, and with that we can actually what do you call it, so I was just looking at my stats and stuff for with dot set, and then JSON. Okay, now here's where we pull. So if you did all of this correctly, like I have, right, then you can actually just pull and stuff. So we can go JSON dot title. It goes into this and it fetches the title using our things that we set up there, and then we can do set image, and then again it goes into it and it says JSON dot URL, and it pastes that and it uses that as its image. And now if we go again, so dot timestamp. So this is just completely what do you call it, optional tape, but it will set you like a timestamp saying this is at the day it was done, I guess. You can set color. Set color. This can be personal preference. You can keep it random if you want. Random. I'm just gonna keep it blue because I feel like the Discord's blue looks really nice. And then we can do set footer. Now here's where this might get a little more complicated for you, but you want to use the tilde key again. This thing, right, that goes to the side of it, and because we're going to be using we're going to be using other stuff. It's not just going to be text. You want to use this, and then not f3, sorry, that's in Python, and then JSON.post link. So like our link will be at the bottom of the in the footer. It will be there, and then we can add like a little separator, and then subreddit. I probably spelled that wrong. Yep, I did. And that can just be, we can just use another function, and we got that. So JSON.subreddit. Nope. Anyways, this should do it now. Just end that off with the ending thing. And now this is basically, oh sorry, I forgot to do, we actually have to post this. So you can just do msg.edit, and then put in meme embed. Simple as that, and end it off again. Now let's try running it with node space dot. Just wait for this to load up, and it has. So let's go into our Google Chrome, and let's actually see what there is. So it should be meme right there, and as you guys can see, it gets us a meme. Now every time it's different, and daily it will be different because it fetches it from Reddit, right? If we spam it, a couple might be the same because like it's from the same day, and if you spam it, it'll give you the same meme. But like, look, they're mostly all different. That's because, it's from Reddit, and like Reddit changes every day, and like there are lots of posts on Reddit. So yeah, and then it tells you me IRL, orchestras. That's like this is the name. So this is probably from this is from memes. This is from me IRL. Stuff like that. This is dank memes. It's things like this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to smash a like down below, and it really helps out the channel. We just passed 70 subscribers, on our way to 100, and I really want to thank you guys for that. Anyways, until next time, see ya.